Okay,
Can
so
you
what
add
we're
me
doing
somehow?
is how to find
Yo!
research points really fast, like quickity fast, I guess. And really easy. You're gonna need to buy some stuff. Here's one of the ways. One of the ways
I'm
is
broke.
you.
Wait, I
This
have
guy's
leftovers full shredders.
okay.
Bah.
So one of the
Bah.
ways is you want to get a rocket launcher, and if you don't have one, you get like a pickaxe or something. I'm gonna get
I have
rocket
a
launcher.
revolver.
I have them. And then you grab
Can someone buy me revolver ammo?
2 rockets. Then you grab 2 here.
Wait, I don't want the mini backpack anymore.
Guys, I'm filming a video right now. Okay, so
Hey, are these rockets for me?
no. Jackson, let's go.
Wait, guys, I have a revolver. I need ammo.
And you just
Guys, can you
need
buy me revolver
those
ammo
items.
or something?
It's just a rocket launcher or a pickaxe.
Can
with,
someone buy me a pickaxe,
4
please?
rockets. 2 of the rockets you hold in your hand and 2 are in the backpack. Oh, and you just need a backpack too. That's all. And then
Wait, I need it. Can someone buy me a big
then
backpack?
you wanna just stand here. You could be
Wait, guys,
on
can
the
someone buy me a big
table or
backpack?
here, somewhere here.
Can someone buy me a big backpack?
But then you go up that way. If you look
Can you buy me a big backpack?
up
Someone,
there,
please?
it's the
Pretty please.
Any bro.
the
The
water
water
you can't
house
really
and the
see.
tree.
But if you look up there,
Oh,
behind
you.
the camera, there's a tower, the water tower. You want to go to the left of the water tower, next to the tree. You just want to lock it up. Going down here. Down. Oh. But you come this way, you know. You're just coming this way. There's 2 holes. There's 2 holes inside of like the land. So you want to get your 2 rockets out in your backpack. Just like this. Get your 2 out. Kind of difficult because there's like a hill here, you know. But there's a hole here which you kind of have to crawl under. There's a hole over there. And right here, there's this hole, which you just slide under, you know? Right here. Sounds easy. And you could just go through all the way. You'll see these kind of pillar things. Sometimes you fall in the lava. And like, climb up here. Two little things. Power line thingies. Oh, fell. Alright. You're gonna fall down sometimes, just make sure you can always get back up and not die. Because it's really up these steps. I don't know if you could see it too well right now. And here's the planetarium. So you could just do it from here where you get out your rocket launcher.
Slap.
Or so I also forgot, but hook shots are really good, so you could hook around the planets. But you can kind of swim, but the planets have like a gravitational pull. But then like you want to come here, and it's gonna be difficult to show the angles, but I'm gonna shoot there and look there. Look. And when you shoot that, I already got my daily research points. But when you shoot that, you get like your research points and stuff. Sorry, I'm flying around. But and if you do that like every day, the max is 4 for daily. And it's one of the easiest ways. And then we'll do the second way in a minute once we get back to the normal planet area. This way. You want to eat the broccolis. It's a way to get out. You eat 2 pink broccolis.
Then you go into this purple home thing.
Then you become big. With everybody. Where's my camera? I don't know. But voice gets really deep. My voice is really deep. But you just wait a little bit, you know. Sorry, it's gonna take a while. I'll do some parkour for you.
I know.
Okay, my camera's back.
Is everybody big now?
Okay. Is everybody ready for the second way
Is
to
everybody
find
big?
research points easily? Okay, we're ready, right?
Is everybody big?
Not me. So, the second best way is sewers, which is over that way. It's that way. You want to get a flashlight? Pickaxe? I don't have those yet. Okay. A pickaxe or a crowbar? And then, a backpack, I guess. Just those 3. Light, pickaxe, crowbar.
Someone
And
buy
then-
me a backpack and a pickaxe.
And then,
I haven't unlocked them yet.
running the camera. And I'm gonna go.
Ooh, that's my
Do
backpack.
you wanna come with me?
Yeah.
Hey,
What do I need?
Here, let's
Guys,
hurry.
I need
This
stuff.
video's probably boring, but it will be worth it at the end, because if you do this like every day or a couple times every week, you could get tons of research points. I already spent some of mine today. I had like 10 earlier, and I only
Is
have
this
4.
mine?
So let's go this way. You just take this way. You come this way.
Don't hit
Don't
this. Don't
step-
hit this.
Don't hit that. That's bad.
Oh,
I have
that was
nothing.
stinky.
Guys, I literally have nothing.
You have nothing.
Coming this way, you know. You got it all. You wanna go all the way down. Jump. Ooh. Oh shoot. This place updates. a lot.
Unboxing with Junior. Unboxing with Junior.
Unboxing that
Unboxing with
dead. So this is
Ooh.
sewers. And it.
Oh, I just got
don't-
killed by the chicken jockey.
No, it was.
That was not tough, bro.
That wasn't the chicken jockey. That was not tough. But usually if you could get around this, you could stand on the ore here.
Soda can.
Stand on this. This goo right here does damage everywhere. If
Did
you
it
touch
again,
these
the
kind of
goo.
wire-looking things,
I just touched the
that
goo.
eye thing will attack you.
Guys,
But what you wanna do is
am
you
I
just wanna
dead? I
jump,
touched the goo.
you could just
I
come
touched
this
the
way.
goo. Am I dead?
No.
Yeah, you're dead. And there's red light, green light guy. He goes red light. Oh yeah, there's also time bomb guy.
Again.
I can't see.
Grab me.
Don't move.
Don't move. Hey, revive me, revive me. Right here. I'm the... Right here. Hi, camera. I'm Ghosty. Put me in my body over there. Don't move. Body, quick.
No.
Oh my god. Where's the camera? Fly. Fly. Gimme. Are you there? JJ.
Where's your body?
Over there on the other side. Of the gate. You know what happened to Jackson?
Let's go.
I died.
Where are you guys?
Fight again. You guys are putting me in. I'm dead.
I know. Where are you? Oh, you're over here.
Okay. Finally, we're back. Sorry about that long wait. Unboxing, mini unboxing with Junior. Oh,
Mini unboxing with
grenade!
JJ.
Ow!
Pick
It's gonna blow up. Okay. Then usually there's research points in here, but yeah. So if
What
you
are
see right
research
here,
points?
there's some right here and stuff.
Hey, I want some research points.
mine
I have
then.
none.
I already had mine.
And then I died again.
Junior.
Sorry about that. I fell in the... Right here, behind you. I think that's the end of the video, though. Thank you for watching. And, yeah. If you go deeper, it's good. But, like, that's all. Pretty much it. Bye-bye. Oh. I'm the ghost. Oh, I've been saved.
Come here.
I died again.
How do you die again?
I keep falling into the...
The goo thingy?
Mhm.